Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all. Welcome to week 1 of web development technology. In this course, we'll explore how to build dynamic web application using Servlet JSP and databases. But before we can write any code, we need the right tools. Today we'll set up Java JDK, Eclipse IDE and Apache Tomcat. Once you get these installed, you'll be ready to start coding like a pro. Check if Java is already installed. Open terminal or command prompt and type java-version. If not installed, download it from Oracle JDK downloads or use OpenJDK. Variable. Open System Properties, Advanced Environment Variables. You will add new variable java_home and set your path into your JDK folder. And then you will also modify your path to include Java bin. Choose Eclipse IDE. You choose Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Developer. Click Install and follow the rest of the instruction. Head on to Tomcat download page to download the latest Tomcat. testing the setup. Create a simple dynamic web project in Eclipse, and then we'll try to run a servlet on the Tomcat. If HTTP localhost 8080 opens in your browser, then your environment is ready. Well, great job. You just completed the first step in your journey to becoming a Java web developer. In our next video, we'll dive into creating our first servlet. So see you there.